Hello students, welcome to mathematics class in topperseducation.com. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1.1 in rational numbers chapter 1. Here we have some problems, we have to solve those problems. Using appropriate properties, find they have given one problem as minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. We have to solve this problem using appropriate properties as we learned in before video. Okay, in this problem we have two products, as this is one product and this is another product. Okay, along with that we have plus 5 by 2 here as addition, and now from these two are products and this one is addition, and this addition should be taken to other side of the problem. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2, minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Now from these two we have 3 by 5 as the common. By using commutative property, minus 3 by 5 should be taken common. 2 by 3 into plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. This is done by using commutative property, and now this should be added. Minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 3 and 6 take LCM as 6, and 3 into 2. 2 is the factor and 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. From this, minus 3 by 5 into 4 plus 1 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. From this, here in 5 is the denominator and 5 in the numerator get cancelled. From this, minus 3 by 6 plus 5 by 2. From this, both should be added. Both should be cancelled and these should be added. From this, minus 1 plus 5 by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. Finally, the answer is 2. And the result is 2 here, and in the above, from this is by using distributive property. And this is about the first problem. Next we will solve the second problem. Now let us see the second problem, that is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into 2 by 5. Now let us see, we have here three products. From these two products, this 2 by 5 is common. So we write these two products side by side. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 4 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. From this product we have to get cancelled, 3 1s, 3 2s, by using commutative property. And from these two products we have to take 2 by 5 as common, and this minus 3 by 7. Sorry, here not 1 by 4, that is 1 by 14. Now let us do from here minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. 2 by 5 taken as common, and from this we have 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. Now let us solve this. 2 by 5 into 7 and 14, take LCM as 14, minus 3, 7 to the 14, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 4. From this 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 4. 5 get cancelled, minus 2 by 14 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 7. Now LCM should be taken. 7 4s are 28 minus 4 plus 4 7s are 28. 28, that is 7 is the factor, and 7 into 1 7, that is minus 11 by 28 is the answer. Okay, now let us see the second question, that is find the additive inverse of the following. First problem is 2 by 8. As we seen in the previous video, the additive inverse is nothing but the negative of a number. First we will solve these 5 problems, that is 2 by 8. The additive inverse of 2 by 8. Minus 2 by 8. Now minus 5 by 9. The additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is plus 5 by 9. And next one is minus 6 by minus 5. The additive inverse of minus 6 by minus 5 is 6 by minus 5. Now next one, that is 2 by minus 9 is the additive inverse of 2 by minus 9 is 2 by 9. And the next one is 19 by minus 6. The additive inverse of 19 by minus 6 is 19 by 6. And next we will solve the third problem. And the third problem is that verify that minus of minus x equals to x. Here the x value is given, and for this we have to prove that minus of minus x equals to x. Okay, now here x is given, that is x equals to 11 by 15. We have x equals to 11 by 15, and we know that the additive inverse of x is minus x, that is the additive inverse of given x, that is 11 by 15, is minus 11 by 15. from the equation here x plus minus of x equals to 0. From this 11 by 15 plus minus of 11 by 15 is 0. Additive inverse is nothing but the product should be the sum of the number with its negative number is 0. That is, the sum of a number with its negative number is 0 is nothing but the additive inverse of a number. Here the same equality 11 by 15 plus minus 11 by 15 equals to 0 shows that the additive inverse of 11 by 15 is is 11 by 15. Now, and here minus of minus 11 by 15 equals to 11 by 15. That is minus of minus x equals to x. That is proved. Let's solve the next problem. Here we have that is minus 13 by 7. That is x equals to minus 13 by 17. The additive inverse of minus 13 by 17 is 13 by 17 as shown in the previous problem, that is x plus minus of x equals to 0 and additive inverse is negative of the number, and now 13 by 17 plus 13 by 17 equals to 0. Now minus 13 by 17 with minus equals to 13 by 17. That is minus of minus x equals to 13 by 17. That equals to x. Hence proved, as similar to the above problem. Let's see next question, that is find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Here in previous video we have said that multiplicative inverse is nothing but the reciprocal of a number. That is, here we will see the sum of the numbers, that is first one minus 13, and now the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is minus 1 by 13. And second question, minus 13 by 19. The multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19 is nothing but minus 19 by 13, which is the reciprocal of a given number. The multiplicative inverse of here 1 by 5. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is 5. Similarly, here we have the product of two rational numbers, that is minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. First we have to multiply these two. Minus 5 into minus 3, minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15 by 8 7s are 56. 15 by 56 is the rational number, and the multiplicative inverse is 56 by 15. And next one is minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Let us solve this. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 5 equals to minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2. That is 2 by 5. Multiplicative inverse is 5 by 2. And now the minus 1. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Now let us see the fifth question, that is, name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. We have to find the property of the given sentence. Here the first problem given is minus 4 by 5 into 1 equals to 1 into minus 4 by 5 equals to minus 4 by 5. Here the property under this is, here 1 is the multiplicative identity. Because it has only one rational number, that is minus 4 by 5. For that, here 1 is the multiplicative identity. Now let's see the second question, that is minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 equals to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 7. Now we will see which property is this problem, and that is, here the property will be commutative property is used in the equation, because here A into B equals to B into A. As we know that commutative property formula, A into B equals to B into A. Here the commutative property is used. And let's see the next question, that is minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 equals to 1. Here it has the, here it is the number and it is the reciprocal of this number. If the number with its reciprocal product is equals to 1, then it is said to be the multiplicative inverse of the number. Here the property is the multiplicative inverse. Inverse property is used here. Now next question, sixth problem, that is multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Here the problem is given, that is 6 by 13 and minus 7 by 16. These two should be multiplied, but here the 6 by 13 should be multiplied with the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. As we know that reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 equals to minus 16 by 7. That equals to 6 by 13 into minus 16 by 7 equals to 6 into 16 and here 13 into 7. Okay, that is 6 into 16 is 96 and 13 into 7 is 91. Here minus. This is the answer. Now let us see the next problem, that is tell us what property allows you to compute this 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Here three numbers are given, that is 1 by 3, 6 and 4 by 3. Let us see that A equals to 1 by 3, B equals to 6 and C equals to 4 by 3. This is in the form of A into B into C equals to A into B into C. That is, this is the formula for associative property, and here the associative property is allowed in this problem. Okay, now let us see the next question, that is 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. Why or why not? We have to find that the given inverse is multiplicative inverse of the given number or not. Let us check it. Here given is minus 1 by 8 is nothing but minus 7 by 8, and the given number is 8 by 9. The multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9 is 9 by 8, and 9 by 8 is not equals to minus 7 by 8. Therefore, the given minus 1 by 8 is not the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9. Now let us see the next problem, that is given that 0.3 is the number and 3 1 by 3 is the another number. Let us do 3 1 by 3 is nothing but 10 by 3. 3 into 3 9 plus 1 10 by 3, and given 0.3 equals to 3 by 10. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 3 by 10 is 10 by 3 as given in the above number, that is both are equal. Therefore 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3. That's about the 9th problem. Now let us see the 10th problem. And 10th and 11th problems are bits. Let us do that. Here the rational number that does not have reciprocal. We have to find the rational number that does not have reciprocal. It is nothing but 0. Because 0 has the no reciprocal, because 0 by reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0, which is not defined. And see the next problem. The rational number that are equal to the reciprocal. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals are nothing but 1 and minus 1, because the reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1 and the reciprocal of minus 1 is also minus 1 by 1. Both are equal. That's why 1 and minus 1 are equal to their reciprocal. Now next problem, the rational number that is equal to its negative. Rational number that is equals to its negative is nothing but 0. Because 0 equals to minus 0. Minus 0 is nothing but 0. Both are equal. Therefore, the rational number equals to the negative is 0. Now, let's see the 11th question, that is fill in the blanks. Here first one is 0 has no reciprocal, because as we seen in the previous problem, that is no reciprocal number is 0. 0 has no reciprocal. The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. As we learned this also in previous problem, that is 1 and minus 1 as their own reciprocals. And now next question is the reciprocal of minus 5 is nothing but 1 by minus 5. And the reciprocal of 1 by x, where x not equal to 0, and it is the rational number and it is in the form of p by q. The reciprocal of 1 by x is x. And fifth bit, the product of two rational numbers always a rational number. If we multiply two rational numbers, then the product will be also a rational number. And now sixth question is the reciprocal of a positive rational number. If a rational number is positive and the reciprocal to its the positive rational number is also positive. This is about the exercise 1.1 in chapter 1. Thank you. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe the channel.